Hi everyone, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. I am DELA right here again. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a very simple candlestick strategy that I've been using for a very long time now. This strategy has a very high efficiency, it has a very high win rate, but it does not mean it's a holy grail. But I've been using this strategy for quite some time now, and it could help you. So if you're interested in watching this video, please make sure you do till the end, because what I'm about to teach you need to follow step by step. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the video. Now, first of all, the very first thing is that we need to identify very important areas of support and resistance, right? So for example, if we're coming out to this area, we can identify a clear area of resistance in this zone. Why? Because we could tell from past that what price rejected this area, price broke around this area, price rejected this area. So there's a possibility that the market can then come back into this zone and then what, resist this area one more time. Now, how then do we use the strategy? So we are only going to wait for price to actually come into that zone, and then we are going to look out for momentum candles, right? So we are going to be waiting for price to come into that. Now, when price is in that zone, we do not just jump into that zone, because when price comes into a zone, there are two things that could happen. It's either price could break that level or price could reject that level. So we are definitely just going to be waiting for price action. Now, we're going to look for some strong indications. Now, some people might call it a bullish engulfing, a bearish engulfing, but we are going to call it momentum candles. Now, the momentum candles are basically candles that have little or no wicks at all, right? So we are going to be waiting. So for example, now price is still pushing to the upside. We don't see any sort of momentum candles, and then what do we see over here? We see some sort of strong momentum candle, little or no wicks at all. So now, as you guys can see, this is a very strong momentum candle to the downside. Right now, this is an indication of a reversal candlestick pattern, and we are going to have our stop loss right above the structure, right? It's very important. And then we're going to have our risk to reward set to 1:2. All right, now you can have your risk to reward go 1:3, but I just like to have it 1:2 minimum, right? Now let's see how this trade goes. So eventually, as you can see, the trade finally did hit our take profit as a good. And now let's look at another example so that you guys can learn from it, so that you guys can know that this strategy actually works. All right, so I'm going to have maybe another pair so that you guys could check it out. So let's open let's open USD CHF. All right, let's open USD CHF, and let's look at an area like here. Right, great. Now, because we are looking at USD CHF, you can do this on any time frame. Right now, let's do this on the 4-hour time frame. Now we can mark up clear areas of resistance over here. We can mark out clear areas of what, support over here, right? So when in any case price comes to any of these regions, right, we are definitely going to be waiting for that momentum candle indication. So now we're going to wait and then wait for price to come into our zone, any of the. So as you guys can see, price currently came into the support zone. Now what are we waiting for? Because now this is pushing to the downside, we are looking for a strong momentum to the upside, right? Most likely the opposite way. So this is moving to the sells. We are going to be looking for strong momentum candles. Now this is not an indication of a momentum candle. We want something giving us a strong bullish indication, right? Now, this is the setup. This is where we can be confident to jump in on this trade. Now, when we go on this trade, what can we do? We can now go in for a good risk to reward. So I would like to have my stop loss right here, right beneath the structure, and then we can go for a good risk to reward of 1:2, right? Now, let's see how that goes. As you guys can see, the trade has been hit. So if you take your time to practice this strategy, you realize that it goes a long way into helping you become a consistently profitable trader. If you like this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and leave a comment. And if you're not part of my Telegram community, please do well to do so, because I'll be sharing free trades every single week. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.